Hyenas, often misunderstood, possess a unique way of life. Let's demystify some misconceptions. Myth: solely scavengers. Contrary to belief, hyenas are skilled hunters and scavengers. They adapt their diet based on circumstances. Reality: social structure and intelligence. Living in clans led by a dominant female, hyenas exhibit organized social structures and surprising intelligence for communication and problem solving. Myth: cowardly and weak. Hyenas are formidable predators, known for strength, challenging the perception of them being weak or cowardly. Reality: unique adaptations. Hyenas have evolved with strong jaws, sharp teeth for bone crushing, and a remarkable digestive system that handles bone fragments. Myth: solitary animals. Hyenas thrive in groups, promoting cooperation in hunting, territorial protection, and raising young. Reality: vocalizations and communication. Distinct laughter-like calls contribute to vital communication within hyena clans, aiding in coordinating hunts and strengthening social bonds. In conclusion, demystifying misconceptions reveals hyenas as remarkable, powerful, and socially sophisticated creatures.
Like, comment, subscribe for more.